Hey guys, it's me, Madison, and welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fortune cookie / cootie catcher. So first, what you guys are going to want to do, or need to do, I should say, is fold in the corners of your paper. I might need it, but first you guys are actually going to need a square piece of paper towards like an actual square, basically. Yeah, I need to trim this. Okay, so I just trimmed it a little bit just in case. Okay, perfect. Fold in all four corners. It doesn't matter if they're not exactly even, but once you're done, you should have it to look like this. Where you can, it's like legit, like folded in corners. Next step, flip your thing over to where it's flat and the edges are not pointy like that. And set it down if you want to. Push it down to where it's a little bit easier, then fold your paper in half. Or your square in half. Oh, wait, no, my bad. I'm sorry. I always get that step mixed up. When you have it flipped over to this flat side, fold it in again to four corners. I'm sorry, I always get mixed up on this step. But this is how you do it, you guys. I am serious about this. Okay, so once you guys have that done, it should look something like this, an even tinier square. So turn it over, or we'll actually leave it like this. Fold it sideways. Now you fold it over to where it should look like this, and you'll have these little flaps on each side, 4 of them. To where now, when you have that, stick your fingers in, 2 fingers in these two, and then put 2 of the other fingers, any finger, and the other 2 slots of paper, and then push together a little bit. You guys will have to like straighten it out a little bit, and then after a little bit of working with it, it should end up looking like, just a second, you guys, I need to work with it for a second. You guys should end up with something looking like this. So now we're going to open this all the way back up, and don't open it all the way. Just open it towards like this. When we were that last step, when you put your fingers in this, and then with a pen first. Well, actually, remember where these are, the 4 squares, and unfold it. And then make a line right where that one crease was, where the squares were. If you want to, I am, because it's a little bit easier for me to know where they are. And then do some colors or like words. So when you guys are done, and if you guys chose to unfold it like this, I chose to unfold it like this because I wanted to use Sharpie. And you guys can put any words you guys want. I put yo, and then lollipop, and then candy and hi. So then you guys are going to want to fold that back the way you guys originally folded it, to where it's like this diamond again, this square again, in the first step. So it should look like this again, with your words only though. And then flip it over, fold these in. I need to kind of like look at what I'm doing right now. So I need to like redo this all again. Not like actually redo it all. I just need to like go back to the cootie catcher when it's finished. Here's an easy way. So once you guys have it like this, it should sort of look like this when you have those on, when you put it all together. And then open it up to where it's like this. Or wait, let me see real quick. when I have my fingers in it, you guys are going to want to put numbers on every single tiny flap. I'll show you guys. Like this, you guys. So I have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you're done with that, open these flaps up. And then you guys are going to, if you want, I did this because it's thought it was way easier. Make lines to separate the columns with your numbers. So this one is like 3 and 4, so I'll put my finger right there if I need to, and so I know where the line is. Flip it over, make a line there. Put the numbers at the top of that corner on the back if you want, and then do that all the way around with the numbers that are on that side. So yeah, and then once you're done with that, you can write, like, say on number 6, I'll put, "You're a carrot." That's their fortune. And then 5, I'll put "Bello." And then, yeah, basically put anything you want. But I would say, in my opinion, it has to be nice. It can be funny, but not enough to hurt their feelings. Okay, guys, so here is what I put. Actually, I'll tell you guys here in a second when I do this. So then you guys are going to fold that in again to where it's like this. Fold like that. And then just open your fortune or cutie catcher back up. And yeah, so you guys, I am going to show you guys how it works and what you do with it. So, if you guys are going to choose a word on your fortune cookie or somebody else, which right now I have nobody else to ask besides Grandpa, but I'll do it myself right now. Okay, so I'm going to choose lollipop. Plus, I don't know which one I'm going to end up choosing because I forgot what order I put them in. So, lollipop. And then you're going to do L-O-L-I-P-O-P. If you have lollipop on there, or however you spelled it. But however you spelled whatever you put on there, you're going to go, with each letter is an one, like say you started with, like say you guys put candy, like I did. You go, no matter which way you go, you'll put either C-A-N-D-Y or C-A-N-D-Y. But in this case, I did this one. So, and then I'm going to choose either 5, 6, 1, or 2. And then, whatever number you choose, like say, I'm going to choose 6. Because actually, I'm going to choose that. So you go. Then you shut it and then go 1. Either way you want. So, I'm going to go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I'll choose one of those numbers, which is 7, 8, 3, or 4. And this is what you open, and this is what it'll say inside. So I'm going to choose 4. Open it, and then this is what it says. Mine is unicorn cloud face. So yeah, you guys, that's basically how this works. And yeah, hope you guys liked this. I thought this was pretty fun, honestly. And yeah. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Peace.